My dad was into GM cars. When I wanted to get a Volkswagen for my first car, he didn't even take me to get it. My name is Josh Craig. I'm from just outside of St. Louis, in a town called Roxana. I work as a laborer during the day, and we play with cars, and that's how we pass time. I've always been into cars. It was me and another guy who had done a lot of this, and he's here today too. But it took us about a year to make it run and drive, and about a year and a half to make everything kind of the way you see it today. It's a LS1 5.7. It's got a 4L60E, yank converter, 9-inch rear end, 799 cylinder heads, and an LS6 intake, all bolt-on stuff. But I felt like it was the best bang for the buck, and the best way to make the easiest, cheapest horsepower, and the parts were very available. That's why we use the LS, and they last. You can really punish them, and they come back for some more. I've had Volkswagens. I bought my first one when I was about 13. I still have it. My dad was into GM cars. When I wanted to get a Volkswagen for my first car, he didn't even take me to get it. My neighbor took me to get it, actually. Sat outside for a long time, and then my mom, she stepped in and shoved her weight around, and I got some garage space, and by the time I was 16, the car was painted and ready to go. And I had some friends that had taken rear engine cars and put front engines in them, and I wanted to do one too. We put the chassis, it's an S10 to the transmission cross member. We cut it off at the cross member. We put the chassis on jack stands. We put the Volkswagen body on a lift, and we slowly brought the two of them together with a Sawzall, and once everything fit, we welded it all together. I was here for the end of LS Fest in 2013 when Drag Week left from here, and a couple of the guys here also were I rode down with one of the guys here. That car was in it, but yeah, actually my second one, but first time being a participant. The car currently, I think the transmission's hurt. We probably did it first or second pass out here today, unfortunately, but I would like it to run a 1080. And then if it runs 1080, we're gonna put a Holley Dominator on it, and we're gonna probably spray maybe 150 more to it and see what happens.